How to activate Lyft Pink trial. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to activate the Pink trial on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Lyft application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap on the U button at the bottom. Select it. Then here you can find Lyft Pink right here into the programs. Now select it. Now to join it, simply tap on to join now right here. Tap on it. Then from here you can see the plans. Now simply choose a plan that you would like to use. Tap on to select plan. And tap on to I agree. And after that simply choose the payment method and buy it. And after buying it, you can simply activate the Pink trial on it. And that's it. This is how you can activate Lyft Pink trial. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.